In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Google Keep, a useful feature that can help personalize your notes for better organization or just a bit of flair. So, let's dive right into it and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google's suite of applications. You'll be looking for Google Keep among these apps. This is a great moment to remind you. It's convenient to keep Google Keep bookmarked for quick access, especially if you use it regularly. Now, once you're in the Google Apps section, locate Google Keep. It's typically represented by a light bulb icon, even in the list of applications you might see on your screen. Clicking this icon will open Google Keep in a new tab in your browser. Once you have Google Keep open, you'll naturally want to navigate your way to the specific note that you intend to beautify with a background. Scroll through your list of notes and simply click on the one you have in mind. This step is straightforward, but it's an opportunity to sort and organize your notes as you go along, which can be a helpful routine for managing your workflow. With your note open, you'll see a variety of options at the top or the menu area. Look for the background options icon. It's your next destination. Clicking on this icon should reveal a small menu that lists different background choices. Here, you'll be able to see a variety of options presented to you, each with its style and color scheme. Take a moment to consider what the note is used for and choose a background that complements its content. Whether you go for something colorful to spark creativity or a more muted tone for something serious, it's completely up to you. After making your selection, you'll see the background of your note transform instantly. It's a small change, but it can fundamentally change the way the note feels and help you differentiate it from others at a glance. Finally, when you're satisfied with your choice, simply click on the close button to exit out of the menu and save your changes. Your note now has its custom background and you're all set. Remember, you can repeat this process with as many notes as you like, whenever you feel like updating their look or just trying something new. And there you have it. Adding a background image to your notes in Google Keep is as easy as that. Keep practicing.